how to deadlift for your back specifically, to bias your back. But Ian, when we're actually doing these deadlifts, the reason we're on the blocks is because this squat rack does not go low enough. So if people are doing rack pulls, you obviously see this debate back and forth. Are rack pulls a good movement or not? A lot of people say not, because a lot of people do it from here and just do a half hip thrust.
Half movement, yeah.
Whereas if we drop it below knee and then we come up into our back, now it's a really good movement. Now it doesn't cause loads of systemic fatigue, because now the weight's going to be lower and you're just using your back. But a lot of guys are going like 6 plates, going, getting nothing apart from exhaustion.
Yeah.
So that's why this is a waste of time. We built the blocks on purpose, because if we go to the floor, we'll get more knee bend and then our legs are going to do the first bit. So if we're here, we take them out just enough that we're in, lock that position, elbows in, make sure lats are engaged, back's braced, up here, not up through, not just trying to drive the weight up, however we can. It's coming up onto your back, pulling the shoulders back, keeping the hips back. So if you look where my hips are, they're not through. So they come down, back up, all in my back.
So how wide would your hands be then?
You always want your hands right outside your legs. Lock that position tight. So when you think about pulling the shoulder blades down and think about rolling the elbows in, just locks our lats in. From there, trying to bring up the leg. So straight up here, straight down, so you get the hips out of the way. Some people will start to go down, they'll do this, they'll bend the knee. Right, so that bar should go straight up, straight down. The hips get out of the way. The problem you often find with people is because they go to the floor, if they've got longer legs, they have to do that. Or this, they can't get down otherwise, which is why it's advantageous to raise the bar up just slightly. So this should perfectly fit most people. Cool. Just come and have a go. Try taking those shoes off because we've got soft running shoes on. So now we're planted on the hard platform. That's the reason the platforms are hard, so we're planted solid. Feet shoulder width, we step in, shins against the bar, hands right outside the bar, and then think about rolling these in from here. Straighten this out as much as you can. Straighten out, and then keep the head neutral. There. And then just go up.
Go up.
Bend down slow. Just keep that head neutral, so looking down there. Good. Yes. So we want to control on the way down as well, because we're thinking it's a bodybuilding movement, not just powerlifting, pulling up and down. We're thinking about controlling that negative, tapping down at the bottom, bringing it back up, squeezing at the top.
So don't bring your shoulders back, leave it.
No, bring the shoulders back.
Don't bring.
No, do bring.
Do bring.
Yeah, you're coming up, and then you can squeeze, hips back slightly. And we're really trying to feel it all the way up. Thinking bodybuilding, not powerlifting, just pulling from the floor. Let the head just travel. Just keep that neck neutral. Just neutral, there. Relax the neck, that's it. Yes, much better. Good. Just go 2 more. And 1 more. Yes, nice. Just resting there. So where are you feeling that?
All over your back.
Exactly. And that's the main thing, it's just raising it up slightly, because down on the floor you'll struggle to get it from this position. And like I said, not driving the hips through, it's the main point to focus on. So then we're coming up there instead of through here.
When I brought my shoulders back, it seemed to contract my back more, which give it that squeeze.
Yeah, it will do.
Good workout.
Yeah, because if we're going powerlifting, you're just trying to rag the bar up. So it looks similar, but when we're doing bodybuilding, we're trying to go contraction, time on attention, control negatives. It's not just, that's powerlifting. That's a different sport. It looks similar, they're doing the same thing, but completely different sport, completely different result.
Okay.
Yes. When you're trying to be more specific, for bodybuilding to gain muscle, we have to be more precise with the movements. Yes, this is used for powerlifting, but the way we do it is very different. Focus on your back, use the points I use, and let me know how you get on.